Hi, I'm Mike Holmes. I'm the owner here at Wickman House. A lot of people would say it's kind of upscale supper club style, but the real focus is we want to use sustainable and local products whenever possible. The bar is where I spend most of my time. That's my background. I've been a bartender for about 20 years, and we wanted to create a cocktail-driven bar scene up here in Door County. So took the knowledge and the experience that we had out in New York and brought that here, and then tried to once again just raise the bar wherever we could using local ingredients from here and also just pushing the bar within our creativity. So we're starting with a ramp ravioli. Ramps are available up here in the spring. They're kind of a combination between an onion and garlic in flavor. So with the ramp ravioli, we make fresh pasta every day. We roll that out and then we fill the ravioli with a combination of the ramp and Montemore cheese. They're gonna be serving that alongside some ghost pepper pepperoni, and then we're gonna be finishing the whole dish off with some local Aronia berry gastrique. Next up, we have this beautiful salad that we're using with product that just came in today. So today is a beautiful heirloom tomato salad, and they're gonna be serving that with marinated zucchini spaghetti and finished with mixed spicy greens, chive flowers, and micro broccoli, which all comes from our property. So next up is the Cioppino. The Cioppino is my favorite thing on the menu. It starts with a stock that is reduced over a day and a half, it's real slow and low. Then we are gonna serve that with our sauteed sea scallops, shrimp, Prince Edward Island mussels, and our local whitefish, which comes to us from Charlie Hendrickson, just right out of the lake right over here. We're gonna be finishing that with some fresh herbs and a toasted baguette. The next up is our Grilled Pork Tomahawk. We're really excited by this dish. We always try to put a pork item on our menu, and this time it's a Tomahawk Chop, which we bring in from a sustainable organic farm. That's gonna be served with our house-made spätzle, some local charred bok choy, a bacon bourbon pork jus, and some local radish relish.